This is going to be a short video just recapping logarithm laws. So on your screen, there are going to be several logarithm laws, and I'm going to do an example for each one to show you how it actually works. So the first example we're looking at is when you add them, when you add two logs with the same base. So for example, if we had something such as log A4 plus log AY. All right, we could simplify that down by just timesing our 4 and our y together, and we can get log A4y. Now they don't just work one way. You can go backwards. So if you started with log A4y, I could break that up into log A4 plus log AY. It's not just going from one to a simplified version. A lot of questions will require you to expand, so go to the longer version first and then simplify things out and cancel things out. All right, the next one we're going to look at is the division version, where it is subtraction. So for example, if I had log A12 minus log A3, that would be the same as having log A12 over 3, which we can then simplify further to get log A4. Next one is when we have a power. So for example, if we had something like 3 log, let's say log x2, that's going to be the same as having log x2 to the power of 3, which can then turn into log x8. So there's a lot of manipulation that goes into a lot of these log problems. So the last one, let's say we have log 4 and then 1 over n. We could just rewrite that as negative log 4n. So a lot of problems that you're going to come across with these logarithm law questions is manipulation style questions where you need to go from one to another through either expansion or simplification and cancelling things out.